In the dead of night, when the world sleeps, a handful of desperate souls plot a break from concrete cages, turning stone and steel into stepping stones toward freedom. Modern penitentiaries are fortresses of surveillance, layered fences, and armed guards, designed to crush any notion of a successful flight. Yet history shows that ingenuity, desperation, and sometimes sheer luck can outwit even the most impenetrable systems. The 1962 Great Escape from Alcatraz remains a legend, where 3 inmates chiseled through cell walls with improvised tools, navigating tunnels beneath the island's rocky foundation. Their plan hinged on a stolen rain barrel, repurposed as a makeshift raft, and a timed release of the tide that would carry them to the mainland. In 1979, the daring escape from the Soviet Gulag of Vologda saw a group of political prisoners fashion a zip line from the roof of the camp to a nearby tree line, using bed springs and rope. Their descent was a silent ballet of fear and hope, disappearing into the dense forest before dawn could reveal their absence. Fast forward to 2015, when a high-tech heist unfolded at a Texas supermax. An inmate commandeered a delivery drone, attaching a thin cable to the ventilation shaft to lift himself out of his cell. The drone, originally meant for parcel delivery, became an airborne accomplice, slipping through the prison's perimeter unnoticed. Perhaps the most audacious was the 2015 escape from the notorious Gorgona Island prison in Colombia, where a gang of inmates tunneled 300 meters beneath the island's limestone, surfacing on the opposite shore under cover of a storm. They emerged onto a waiting fishing boat, their faces masked, disappearing into the chaos of the tempest. Each escape forces authorities to confront a harsh truth: no system, however fortified, can completely extinguish the human drive for liberty. In the aftermath, prisons worldwide have tightened protocols, yet the cat-and-mouse game persists, inspiring new tactics and relentless vigilance. As long as walls rise, so too will the relentless imagination of those determined to break them, reminding us that freedom is a story written in both stone and shadow.